What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Today we have a 2013 Nissan Altima, and I'm going to show you how to actually take this radio out. Now, I'm not going to show you how to put a radio in because I am trying to get back here to tap into my speaker wire so I can use my line output converter. But I decided since I have to get back there, and that's what I do on this channel anyway, I'm going to show y'all how to do it. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, installs, all that stuff. Without further ado, man, let's get into it. So what I want to do is come down here. I'll probably take my panel removal tool, and I want to take this silver trim off first. Or I can just grab it with that, my hands like that. Now let's put that tool right here and take off this trim. All right. What's holding up right there? All right, so that's the right side. You need to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left. So we want to go ahead and move this part down just a tad bit because this is behind here. Now it comes off. Let me put that on the side. So this is actually missing. It's supposed to have some screws right here. That tells me that somebody has been inside this car before. So that screw on the bottom is missing, screw on the bottom is missing. But since the Phillips are right here at the top, I'm assuming that there are Phillips behind there. Let's go ahead and take these out though. Those at the top, we're able to move this vent. You have those two Phillips at the top there, one on the right, one on the left that's holding the radio, and then we got these two Phillips down here, one on the right, one on the left. Now let's go ahead and take these out, and that's going to relieve our radio. Now that we're taking those screws out, we are able to get back here to our harness. Now I know, like I said, this is not going to be an actual install video, just a removal. I will have all the parts listed for you down below if you want to install your radio, like dash kit, wire harness, all that good stuff. Like I said, if you found any type of value, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, it's your boy JP, man. I'm signing out.